It's March, and with St. Patrick's Day right around the corner, many people have luck on the mind, but it's also the start of spring on March 19th. What if I told you about some tips that can not only save you some money on your bills, but can also help you become a little more earth friendly? First up, harness the power of natural light. Open those curtains and let the sun shine in. It's not just good for your soul, it reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day. That means less electricity for lights. Ever consider installing a smart thermostat? It's a game changer for energy savings, allowing you to program your heating and cooling needs according to your schedule. With spring's milder temperatures, aim for a comfortable 68 degrees when you're home and lower when you're not. Your ceiling fan can be a game changer as well. Set it to rotate counterclockwise to create cool breeze, allowing you to adjust your thermostat and save energy. A simple but often overlooked tip, replace your HVAC system air filter. A clean filter improves efficiency and air quality, keeping your system running smoothly. Lastly, let's get planting. Trees and shrubs not only beautify your space, but also provide shade and cool your home naturally. Remember, making these small changes can lead to big savings and a healthier planet. It takes more than luck, it takes action. Start this spring and let's make every season a green season.